Hi guys, welcome back to the Bootcamp. Today's day 4, and let's see how many guys are live online. Just share with your friends, join quickly so we can start. Good evening, everyone. So, like till now, we have done all the object detection with the pre-trained model, but today, as this is a machine learning bootcamp, so obviously we are going to train a mini YOLO training on a Coco 128 dataset. It is a mini dataset in which we are going to train about 80 128 objects. So we can see what's the accuracy of the training also. Just tell your friends to join quickly so they don't miss out. Otherwise, they will say that I have joined it. Please repeat. Good evening, everyone. Just tell your friends to join quickly, otherwise, they will miss any part. Good evening, guys. Just like we are going to start at 7:05 exact because you have to do a training part and it will take some not very much time, but at least 5 minutes, 4 5 minutes, 6 minutes for just training part only. If we increase the EFOS levels like by 10 or 15, then it will take more time. So just everyone joins quickly so we can start. Good evening. Just tell me in the chats like among all those who are live today, who all are from day one. Like all of them have marked the attendance and they are from day one, and they are also building side by side with me. Just tell me. Today very less people are live. I think they have not gotten the notification yet. Okay, few are from the day one here from day one. Okay, nice, nice. So just be patient today and tomorrow also, because like everyone was demanding when we will be getting the front end part also in this boot camp, like how we will host all these model in front end also. So again, I'm going to tell you tomorrow is going to be the most exciting part of the boot camp. So be ready. We are going to develop a front end, small front end using the Streamlit, so that you guys idea how to host or deploy your projects on globally. Like if you want to represent your project to someone, telling that how it is work, and even at industrial level also, if you want to tell how it is uh, going to work, you want to record the video, so you can do with that, and it's going to be quite impressive. So I can see lot of people from day one and they are telling nice. No, for building front end, you don't need to install anything extra from this. All the thing will be done on this collab only. There's no need to install anything extra. I will guide you guys what all you need to just import the packages in this collab only. Apart of that, you will not. Brasilia, yesterday I sent you a message regarding a code. Where did you send the message? On LinkedIn, on or where? Uh, like I, I think on LinkedIn. Just let me check. Have someone messaged? Uh, Actually, there are quite a few messages. WhatsApp. Where did you get my WhatsApp number? I didn't receive any WhatsApp message code. You must have messaged some wrong guy. Nice. Yes, you need a backend also for large scale industrial projects, but that is some different part. It will take lot of time. But for now, suppose this project as your backend preparation only, and the front end we will develop tomorrow. For today, we are going to like do a mini training, not a full scale development. Like we are not going to build any convolution neural network and then sequentially build it, and like for like that way we are not going to work. We are going to take something from a pre-trained data set also, only like Coco 128, and then we are going to train a little bit in this only. Okay, so I think it's time we should start. Yes, the link you receive every day, it will be for attendance. You have to fill that. Okay, so now let's proceed. And don't worry guys, this whole code will be shared to you on like tomorrow. Once we finish with the front end part, I will share this whole file to you guys. There's no need to enable Brasilia, you don't share and such files like this. This file will be shared to you guys tomorrow, and you will be given 2 days time. Like you need to submit this project to the DevTown team so they can verify you have done everything. Um, so I will share, you can take reference from this project, and if you want to make any some changes you can also make some changes, and then submit it with a presentation of 5 to 6 slides and a video recording of 30 seconds to 1 minute, uh, telling what you have done and showing the object detection in that. And you need to submit. You will receive a submission link on your WhatsApp community, where you need to submit all these. So don't need to panic, you will get at least 2 to 3 days time. Okay, so I think we should start now. It's already time and we have to cover a lot of thing. So first of all, again we will start with like installing the Ultralytics and everything into our system. Like, okay, and then from Ultralytics, you know what I am going to install. YOLO. Okay, so this is the thing we are going with, because we are working on YOLO only. So we are now again, this will actually install the Analytics YOLO library, all those if they are new. So we can use a YOLO object detection model, and if like it is connecting, it will appear a lot of like on day one also someone asked me why I am using dash dash q or quite. So when it will connect, you will see a lot of thing will appear here. To avoid that, like this, all these, to avoid that we can use, like to maintain some, we can use Quite. So to like avoid all these or to make them shorter, the installation logs and everything which are appearing here, to make them shorter, we use the quite. Like if I run again, you will see it will not appear that much. Only little information will appear here, and it will, okay. That, like, see, nothing appeared and it got installed on its own. But if you want like to know what is installed and what is happening in your system, so you can run this. So now moving forward, this is the basic thing you all know. Kalpesh, what you are trying to say that there is a final step registration is necessary. Please. Okay. So we have just installed the package of Alterytics to use the YOLO. You look only once. So moving forward with this, we are going like we are in this. We have tell the collab to run the shell command and download the packages of Alterytic package which will provide YOLO 5, YOLO 8, and other vision tools. So in this also we have only installed YOLO. You can see here. So now I want to like import the model also, which we are using from the day one, a lightweighted model. It got downloaded, and once we download with this, we are going to work with this. I'm going to provide you guys a link also, just a second. In the chat I will give you a link of a GitHub in from where we are importing the data set. So this is the link I am giving to you guys in the chats. Yes, Microsoft and Google certificate collaboration will be given to you guys. So just copy this link in your because we are downloading this. It will download a Coco 128 dataset. It is a small sample of Coco dataset with 120 images only into your system from the GitHub, and then later it will save it as Coco 128.zip. Just write this code and tell me. You can copy also from like link which I have given. So first of all, coming to the main thing from which we are going to train our thing today is Coco. So many people must be listening this word first time. So Coco stand for the common object in context. So यानी कि, it is used. It is a kind of a large scale image data set used in a computer vision task like object detection, image segmentation, image captioning, even, and even key points detection like position estimation and like where it has been standing and where the difference and everything. So Coco is actually a very large data set, but for here we are downloading a subset of that uh, large data set into a system to use, because the Coco 128 data set is a small subset of the original Coco data set used for the, it is actually this 128 Coco 120 data set is used for quick testing and training experimentation. That's why we are calling this as a mini training, because we are using a small subsets here. Okay. For the certificate you have to complete this project only, like you have to record this whole project which we are developing from day 1 to day 2. You have to do the same thing. In addition, if you want to add something in this, you can add from your end, and in after that whole code. Just a second, I think it's visible now. uh, Prasanna, for certificate, again I am repeating, you have to complete this project only from day 1 to day 5. After once we complete with the day 5, on the next day you guys will receive a submission link of for Google form, in which you need to submit this IPNV file. Yeah, a 5 slide presentation representing how you are how this was useful, how in each day you gain what. And third thing will be a 30 seconds to 40 or 30 seconds to 1 minute video, in which you have to, you can use it by recording Google sorry Zoom or OBS Studio, in which your webcam will be open, your picture will be on side, and you will tell what you are doing, like object detection, how you are uploading image, and it is telling objects, etc. A small 30 seconds to 1 minute video you have to record and give, so we can check that every student has done and no one gets unnecessary certificate. They have worked upon that thing. So this is why we are doing all these things. Okay, I think till here we are done. MK11. That's why if you don't even have PC, that's why we are doing on Google Colab. Google Colab is supported on any device which supports the internet or a simple browser. Even on tablets, like if you have a normal tablet, you can do on that. Even on phones also, you can do that. There's no restriction. That's why we are not using VS Code. Otherwise, uh, if we had used VS Code, it would be have much easier for us, because VS Code is a local host IDE. So in that we could have done a live feed also. Like many people were asking why we can live feed, and why we are missing this, all the things. So that's why we have done this in Google Colab. I hope now you understand. Okay, so let's proceed with this. So again, I'm like telling you guys, Coco is a big image collection where every object in a picture is labeled and marked. It is a, you can say, widely used to train AI models for the computer visions like YOLO. Just like YOLO, it is also used in computer vision because it has thousands of real world examples of common object detection. It is actually a very large data set, but here we are using its mini subset named as Coco 128, in which it contains 128 categories of different objects. With the help of that, we are going to train that in our system. Okay, and like after that, this line unzip q dash u coco 120.zip d dataset. So it extract the downloaded zip file into a folder named as dataset. And the Q means it to again to quietly install without showing every file name and everything. So when you after running this, when you go here, you will see a data set here, and in dataset you can see a file name as coco 128, and in this coco 128 when you click, you will see images, labels, and so same thing like what it is appearing here, images, label, and etc. So images contain all the sample images which were trained used to train them. uh, it's taking time to load. And label contains all the labeling of what category it belongs to and everything. If you are not able to copy the link, just type this correctly. I'm showing it on screen like people are facing problem, so just type it correctly here, like from here to, or wait a second. I'm sharing a file link. I'm sharing a docs file link in your chats. In that, the top line which I have written first, only copy that, the rest thing is also used later. So keep that file open in another tab so you guys can easily, this is the file link. Just open this, and on the top you will see, like on this tab, when you go here, the link I have pasted, you can copy from here. If you are facing problem while copying from the chat section, you can copy from here. Don't do anything with these all things. This I will explain later. We are going to do all this thing later, and just keep this file saved, like not saved, just open in your another tab so you can use later. Just copy the link from here, okay, if you're getting problem. And further, like till here I have explained all. It is saving the zip file into the folder name as dataset, and further this ls dataset slash coco 128, it shows a list of all the file inside that dataset coco folder. So all these which is appearing here, like what all folders, subfolders it contains, all the files it contains, it is presented here with the help of this. It is a kind of, you can say, list files or directories. It will list all the files inside the data set present in them, okay. Okay, few have run successfully. Who are getting error also. It cannot access data, no such directory. Just check the path you have correctly done, or you have not made any typing mistake in here, because it should have saved. Mine also it is getting saved, you can see dataset coco 128 and everything. I think in Ravindra it has run successfully, okay. Do you guys have any confusion with this till here, so we can proceed further? Okay, so we will move further. So now we are going to save a text file in a so called Coco 128 name as YAML inside the data set. So for this we will write files, file data set slash task Coco 128. It is not inside the content data in this images. Images. Then also validation also we are going to do with images only present in this. Right file data set Coco 128. Okay. Yes, space error, because in Python indentation error is very common. That's why it gives error. It will extract automatically. You don't have to extract. That's why we have used this unzip. This will extract automatically that zip file. Okay. So now till here, like here we are saving a following text file name as data.yml inside the Coco 128 file which we have created, or the data set we have imported. After that, this we will tell the YOLO where the data set is stored. We will tell the path and the main data set folder. This is the main data set folder. Then we have some training images, like training image folder inside this only. Like it is taking time, otherwise it would have, like, see, train 1217. So even you can copy the path also directly from here, or directly you can write the data 120. So because we have set the main path here, so you can directly just write the images slash one train 2017. And then we have validation images folder also inside. uh, we need to find that, but it is also present inside this only, so we can go with that and do the validation. So basically you can say YOLO uses this pass to find the training and the validation image both to the images folder train 2017, where it will because YOLO is a small data set, so it will do the training as well as validation with both of them. So moving forward with this, we need to give nc is so I've given you a file in which some objects name were written. So this is we are declaring there are 80 different types of object in Coco. So I'm telling this, and when you go on this file uh, which I have shared, like you guys can see, what symbol you are asking, MK11 gaming, please tell what symbol you are asking. This percentage symbol starting in the symbol which is written in front of right file, are you asking that? No, we have to do all the training part today, so today there might not be any quiz because we have restricted time. Tomorrow I will try, but can't 100% commit because front end part is also long. and we have restricted time. But I will try 100% if we cover within time and everyone's doubt is solved. So surely we will do the quiz also. This is percentage sign. You can like the sign just above the 5, you can use by shift and then 5. You will click, it will appear. This is percentage sign. Okay, so now in this you have to copy this name file. It contains all the names. You can see it till here, like total 80 names are present here. So you have to copy this and just go in this and paste. So it will get pasted here in this tab. And she is asking, sir, then today there will be only attendance session. What you are asking, like I can't understand. Attendance is taking daily. There is no specific attendance session. Attendance is taken daily. All the things will be shared to you guys, but only after day 5. Like on day 5, once we finish everything on live, everything will be shared to you guys as soon as possible. So there is no need. Otherwise, I will share a GitHub link also, in which the whole code will be present. You guys can directly go there and access that file, in which whole IPNV file will be present. You guys can edit or add anything. If you want, you can download. Okay. Coco 128 subset is already present. uh, like I have given you the link in which you can download that. Here the link which I have given, like github.ultralytics asset releases download coco.120. It is a already present subset of coco, which we are importing to train this. Okay, guys, these are basic things. uh, Try to avoid use like silly questions. Attendance will be given after 7:45 only. Once you guys are like copying till here, the all the names here with from the files, like I will share the file link again if you want. Those who have joined late, kindly copy the name list, all the 80 names from here, and so we can proceed forward. Okay, just done with copying paste. Let's move. Okay, I think everyone is done. So now we will run this file. It is saved, and just to check, here the file has been created, data.yml. You can see inside the coco 128 where we have set the position, the path. Inside that you can see data.yml file has been created. Once we run this, okay. CSV format, how can you, Akash, just tell me, when you are dealing with images, then how you can load the file in CSV format? You are categorizing the objects. CSV is comma separated. values. So comma separated values can only be text or numerical values, not the images. So CSV file is for normal text values in which you have numeric values, alphabetical values. So how can you do that? Kalpesh, if you are getting again same error, there must be some typing error. Just be careful and copy carefully what you are writing. Like there must be some error because others are getting same thing done. Can you show the second cell of code, please? Second cell, this one. This was the second cell of today. Like model equals to YOLO. Uh, just let me hide. So this was the first cell, this is the second cell, this is the third cell, and the fourth cell is this. So okay, many have created the file successfully. Now we will move for. Yeah, like check if they have done any or kind of typing mistake or anything. Just be very careful regarding all these. So now we will move forward with the main training part, which is going to take time. So I'm moving forward. Uh, Again, we are going to tell which model we are actually using. So YOLO model we are using. Okay. Now we will move with the model dot train. So we will do the model training inside this. And first of all, data. It is giving model. Okay, so after this we will give out the data which we are using. So data is equals to let me just go here. You can go here, copy path, and come here and paste. So the data set path will be given what we have created and you going to use first of all. Then after that we are going to tell how many time the images will be shown to, like I want to show 10 times the thing. Okay, then we are going to set the image size also. Image size as, let's set as 640. Then after that I want the project is equals to the name YOLO underscore training. So this is the main part of like training everything what we are doing inside this, and name we will give as YOLO V8N underscore. So we are doing a custom training here, so we will give a custom name. We are training that data set only more. So it is getting some error. Just let me check what error it is giving. Okay. It has run everything. Then why it is file in dataset does not exist. Bro, it exists. Dataset. Data. Okay. Dataset. Inside this, it is giving an error. Does not exist. I also must have done some typing error. We have used Coco 128, everything, V8N. Just let me rerun again. Okay, now it should run. Now it has, like, you can see data yml is running here, is present. So I suppose it should now run. Again, it is giving error. YML file. No, the import file is not missing. Runtime error. The path is also correct. No, just a second. There is a problem in network also. All the Hmm, the path is just a minute. Refresh. Hmm. Yeah, there is some network issue. That's why the net is little lagging. You guys must the screen is might be also blur. Is the screen is my voice like voice audible to you guys? Actually, there's some network issue. Just a minute, giving attendance also. Let me check the error. Actually, the electricity went off. Just till the time you guys done with the attendance part. There is some issue with actually the YML file here. Hmm, let me go. Delete file. And okay. So that file has been deleted. Overwrite data set. Okay, now let's go. Still facing issue. Okay, so data set. Yeah, now it's working. It's actually now executing. The training will execute will 10 times. Oh, this. Mm, let wait. We need to interrupt. Otherwise, no rerun. Training 10 times. Sarah, your ran successfully. Uh, I don't know if mine was running, getting error. Then how your got? There must be, I think, some issue. That's why we overwrited the data set with the Coco 128 YML file. We've made the changes here. You can see here. I made a change like I replaced the name here, and then I'm running this. It will take time, I think. It is again connecting. Actually, there's some issue, network issue. That's why it is taking again time. Just let me reconnect and I just replaced the name and overwrite it again. Like I deleted the data.yml file, which because it was showing error. We can't find directory, although everything was correct. Still, it was showing error. So I just deleted that and overwrite the same content in Coco 128.yml file, and just replace the name here, and then here the name was replaced. That and path I copied from. So okay, so this file has run. So let's. hmm we again need to. It's when it's asking to type something, you just write capital A to rename all, so it can rename or override all the things. Mine is also taking time to run. Okay, so here you have to just give A for all and then enter. Once you do this, it will go on the training. Like here, it will start training all. First, it will detect all the ultratext objects and arguments. Then it will start training. It will take some time. Oh, it is okay. We are using GPU, so it will do fast only. It will not take lot of time. I hope everything will get trained soon. It is getting very because although it is a mini data set, also we are not taking very large data sets. That's why it is getting trained also very soon. I think within 1 minute it will get trained. Yeah, almost done. We are done with the training and everything. So we are done with this thing. Training part we are done. Long. Just hide the output part. So we are done with the training part. Further, now we will move with the execution or like prediction part to check whether the thing which we have done is true or not. So I have copied a image. You guys can also like go here, dataset, then on Coco 128 inside this. Now we will check with a random images. Inside this we have train 127. Inside this we will have a lot of images. So in from any one of the image you can like, let me first write the code. So from this any one of this image you can like predict whether it is telling true or not. So results is equals to model dot predict. Okay, and inside this we will give the whole path. Suppose I'm taking this image, I will copy the path and just right here. Now the whole path will get copied, and after this you have to just give a command save is equals to true. Okay, so just close this and run. So it has now saved and run the part. In it is detecting one umbrella, one person. Okay, so now we want to show this whole how this. So before this I will tell you what we have done here. So model dot predict, it's run the YOLO v8 model, the custom model we have built on this to give the object detection on the given image. Then we have set the part to the input image of Coco 128 here. After that, save is equals to true. We have written to save the detection results within the bounding box which we were doing earlier also into the run or predict folder. Like we would have, just a second. Here when we go inside this, we would have a run or predict folder also. So inside that it will get saved. So after this when you want to like see the results, so results dot, sorry, 0 dot show. When you run this, it will show the results. Like here it has taken a person, a girl, an umbrella. It has detected two objects. Same thing if you want to detect another images also. You just need to any random image, like here several images are present. So suppose any random image you want and you want to test with it, like your model is working fine or not. So we will paste that, and when we once we paste, we will run this, and it is telling an aeroplane, it is detecting an aeroplane in this image. Now again some random image, let's take this image. So we will paste it here, and again we will run. So in this 3% it is detecting a chair also, a sports ball also it is detecting. So it should have also detected purse, mobile phones, but it has not detected, although they are covering with the hands. So still sports ball it is detecting more objects than previous. So we have successfully trained a mini data set in this. Just cut this from here and run in this only. So whenever you run this it will show. Yes, and suppose let's take another image, copy path. Again we just need to change the path of the test image. We have some number of, so in this it has detecting bowl, broccoli, then oranges also. It is not able to detect bread, otherwise it is detecting broccoli and everything. Remove the URL from the screen, just a second. Okay, done. So here is the code. Just let me hide this also. So this is the code. If anyone is still okay, and it's time also. Have anyone? Yes, GPU CUDA is enabled already. The outcome is that we have trained a custom data set from both Coco and YOLO, a small custom data set for our uses, which we can use anywhere. From that, restricting to still to 80 objects till now. We can increase that also. The sample images of that 80 objects are taken from Coco 128. Okay, so I think everyone has done with the attendance. Done? Successfully run? Okay, done. So let's end today's class. Tomorrow will be the front end part. Everyone, please be present. And I will try for the quiz also. If time persists, we will go with the quiz also. Please, everyone, remember to mark your attendance. Don't forget to mark your attendance. It is very important. Otherwise, later you will guys say that I missed the attendance. This. Okay. So bye bye guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.